Technological innovation is accelerating the diversification of work styles, and the manufacturing industry is no exception. MITSUBISHI Electric's FA Remote Solutions respond to such changes. FA Remote Solutions support the diversification of work styles with remote design and development, remote monitoring, remote maintenance, and remote service, and ultimately contribute to improving the competitive strength of all companies involved in monozukuri. First, let's introduce Mitsubishi Electric's solution for remote design and development. MelSoft IQ App Portal allows users to design and develop applications with various engineering tools at home or abroad on business trips, similar to being at work. Programs and documents are centrally managed on a server, and any changes or updates are shared between team members through history management to prevent rework. In addition, the hours required for development management can be reduced. Next, let's look at a specific example of a remote monitoring solution. In the past, in order to grasp various types of information, such as equipment status and product quality, it was necessary to check the inspection records and daily reports of the production shop floor one by one, which required many workers. As such, this factory built a system utilizing the MES interface module to enable confirmation of processing and quality data even from the office by collecting data from each piece of equipment in real time, then managing the collected data in a database. In addition, by delivering an alert to the operator's wearable devices in the event of an abnormality, constant monitoring is no longer necessary on the shop floor. Furthermore, Mitsubishi Electric supports data management by developing our SCADA Genesis 64 on the cloud and linking data with EdgeCross, an open platform in the edge computing field. EdgeCross also supports the protocols of OPC-UA and MQTT, which are highly compatible with various public clouds and enable remote monitoring environments. Next, let's look at a specific example of a remote maintenance solution. In the past, each time an equipment error occurred, production engineers had to go back and forth between the office and shop floor to analyze the cause. It took time to recover the equipment. At Mitsubishi Electric's programmable controller factory, we use a system recorder to completely record equipment operational data and camera images before and after problems. By analyzing this data in an office, then updating the corrected program, we were able to shorten equipment recovery time without having to physically go to the shop floor. By adding an optional VNC server function license to Mitsubishi Electric's GOT 2000, remote maintenance is available. Previously, if a problem occurred on the shop floor, an engineer or qualified employee would have to perform a recovery operation on site. The VNC server function allows users to display and operate GOT from an office to review ladder programs and robot status, thus significantly shortening the time required for cause identification and recovery. In addition, by using a remote access gateway and cloud connection, a secure maintenance solution from outside the company can be achieved. This makes it possible to rapidly identify the cause and reduce travel expenses. Finally, let's look at the remote service, IQ Care Remote for You. IQ Care Remote for You is a cloud-based secure remote service for Mitsubishi Electric's processing machines and computerized numerical controllers. The dashboard and remote diagnosis functions help improve the production processes and maintainability of processing machines. The dashboard function not only enables real-time monitoring, but also helps to improve operating ratio and productivity through analysis of accumulated data. The remote diagnosis function makes it possible to receive a diagnosis from a specialist in a remote location when trouble occurs, thus reducing production downtime. The FA Remote Solutions accelerate remote monozukuri operations and support diversification of work styles in the manufacturing industry.